Eman Stories. So tonight I will be traveling back to Manila because it's a long weekend here in Bicol. So I bought my ticket here in Bicol Esarog ticketing station. So the ticket cost 1,250 pesos. This is from Naga going to EDSA Cubao. Tonight it's a rainy night, so hoping that my trip will be okay. This is the bus that I'll be riding. This is Peñafrancia, trip code E. This will be my first time riding this bus. So now let's go inside the bus. By the way, this bus is a 2x1 seating configuration. It's a bit old compared to the other newer buses. So the bus has a CR and this is my seat. This is just in front of the comfort room. So it's a reclining seat. So let's go inside the comfort room. Okay, so the comfort room looks a little old and lacks some features. So let us check my seat. So this is a reclining seat with a bottle holder. So this is me trying to recline my seat. And this is the leg rest. So by the way, my height is 5'8". And this is the aircon with the lights. You can also adjust the air conditioning vent. And the bus is almost full and we are almost ready to go. So the lights were turned off and the night lights were turned on. This is a very shaky bus. And this is the stopover. So this is in Lucena. And all I can say is that the food here is very overpriced, so I did not buy anything from this place. Buying mami with egg will already cost you 100 pesos in this place. And I was really disappointed that we did not have our stopover in McDonald's Lucena. And these are the other buses that came here for their meal stop. This is Bicol Isarog. And then this is Jackliner. And on the other side, I saw here a Scania bus and I wish someday that I can ride one of these buses very soon. So this is the bus that I rode, Peñafrancia, trip code E. At 4:05 a.m., we already reached the city of Manila. When some passengers got off the bus, I transferred at the front seat so I can get a glimpse of what's happening in front of the bus. So this is the new terminal, I think, of Bicol Isarog. This along Aurora Boulevard in Cubao, Quezon City. And now I'm at home and meet the family cat, Hanky. So this is my vlog for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye-bye. Eman Stories.